The friction loss interactive calculator solves friction-related problems in mechanical systems using 6 different calculation modes. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Your options are Calculate friction force, Calculate coefficient of friction, Calculate normal force, Calculate power loss, Calculate friction on incline, and Calculate stopping distance. For this demonstration, I'll use Calculate friction force. Next, enter your coefficient of friction, which represents the roughness between two surfaces. Then input your normal force in newtons, the perpendicular force between surfaces. The friction force field shows your calculated result in newtons. Enter velocity in meters per second for motion-based calculations. Mass in kilograms is needed for certain modes. The incline angle in degrees handles slope calculations. Finally, initial velocity in meters per second is used for deceleration problems. After clicking Calculate, the results appear below. The primary result shows your main calculated value based on the selected mode. Secondary results provide related calculations like power dissipation or force components. The calculator also displays relevant engineering notes about your specific friction scenario, helping you understand the practical implications of your results. Find the link in the description below.